bud.
Hey guys, my name is Donnavan Dominguez, and we're at Goose Gossage Skate Park, and this is my bike check. I have Perfect 10s S&M bars with Primo grips, and I have the new Sabrosa bar ends. Not new, but bar ends. I have a Primo plastic peg in the front left, Demolition plastic peg in the back. I got 2 Salt Plus pegs, plastic on the right side. I got an Alienation deviant rim on a Sabrosa Posey front track hub, and I got a Fiend cab coaster on a Demolition rim. And for those hub guards, I got Daily Grind Left's LHD driver side hub guard, and I have a Mission RHD driver side hub guard. My cranks aren't too special. I got a stock fit Inman cranks, and I got a pretty solid Primo sprocket. It's been holding me for a little bit. I got the Primo pedals. I like them. On a United seat with a, I think it's a BSD seat post. And my frame I'm riding is a United Mothership. The forks I got are pretty light. Odyssey R32 race forks. They've run me for probably about a year now, and I think they're going pretty good.